Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of significance, at least in my mind, is the very apparent downwards pressure here. And I get it, downwards pressure, that is just words. But that's the great thing about charts is they allow you to take words and help you visualize them. So the downwards pressure here can be very clearly seen by this downtrending trend line here. And you can see that the price has made slight moves upwards. The problem is every time the price tries to make those slight move upwards, each high just keeps getting lower and lower. So definitely the key level to watch going forward is that trend line, in my opinion at least, even more so than any levels of support, because quite frankly, supports don't really matter because sure, a price can find support temporarily, but if it remains and the selling pressure remains in control, well, then at that point, it's only a matter of time before that level of support fails. So as long as the selling pressure is in full control, then, support levels, they matter to an extent. But like I said, they just matter until they are broken again, which is what the selling pressure is doing. So that's why for this, I'm not even going to talk about levels of support because it's all about the selling pressure and the selling pressure, whether or not it's in control. And well, okay, Clay, how are you seeing if it's in control? Well, and that, again, this is why I love charts. So straightforward. Well, if the price, as long as the price is below that orange line, then the selling pressure is in full control. Now, if the price can get a breakout up through that trend line, now does that mean it's going back up to 85 cents and closing the gap? I'm not saying that. My point is that at that point, the story of the chart begins to change around, and at least you can start to throw out possibilities of, all right, it's looking like the selling pressure is gone, so let's see how much this thing can potentially bounce. So before anything else, it's all about trying to gauge the selling pressure and who's in control. And like I said, the control of that selling pressure very well represented by that orange downtrending trend line. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.